we got our website started. So if you wanted to have multiple galleries, you would go to plus here, and you click gallery. And then you'd have another gallery. And then a page would be each of these individual things here. So these are all individual pages. This is a gallery. Cool. So this, when I hit this pencil, the customization thing opens up right here. And this is going to allow me to do all the customizations inside of inside of here. Cool. You know, font, width, how wide is it? Maybe if I want my web page to go on forever, I can do that. You know, max width. That's what I use in here. I'll go over that later. Top margin. Oh, where's it going? Bottom margin. Oh, wait, that did nothing. Let's scroll down and see. Bottom margin. Oh, that's not doing anything either. That usually refers to the bottom margin here. So if there's something under here, it would extend that thing. Cool. And then, you know, a line. That doesn't really do anything right now, but mobile icon. I'm not really sure what that is. Change the color of the hamburger icon. Mobile. Oh, yes. This thing. No, you can't see that. But this thing. When your website pops up, there'll be a picture right there. So, yeah. Change the color of the... Is that what that is? Oh, shoot. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I do get confused every once in a while when I'm working on this thing. They just changed this whole deal. It didn't used to have these page things right here. Like, it didn't tell you navigation. Can't see logo right there. I mean, that's so helpful. I like that a lot. So, and this whole setup, it didn't used to do this. It used to just do a pop-up right in the center here. But this, so it, you know, you gotta be flexible. I mean, technology changes all the time. I mean, I just finished learning how to reload a typewriter. So I want to get rid of these titles here. So how do I do that? I click the pencil. I click customize. I go up to this navigation here. I click the down button. And I get rid of not page titles, not gallery titles, because that's a gallery title, but the sub-page titles. A booyah! And then all I got is links, social icons. But I don't have any of those up yet because I haven't edited those yet. So let's go to... So why is that helpful? Because right now I just have one set of work. And if I want to change it up, like, let's say I want to call it landscapes or cityscapes. Let's change. I would change the gallery title. Let's call it cityscapes. Booyah! Now, something to keep in mind is when you do that, if you were watching the last video, you'll know that I have forgotten to do this to a few things. But you got to change that gallery URL as well, because the gallery URL is still going to be work. So change that as well. I mean, it's not really gonna hurt you if you don't, but it'll be confusing up here, because up here it'll say like taylordraws.com/work, but when I change the gallery URL, it'll say taylordraws.com/whatever I pick, so cityscapes. So it's a little bit easier to. It's just, I mean, nobody's gonna remember it, but it's just better for the it's better. Just take my word for it. Okay, cool. So I got cityscapes. Let's add another one. So I'm going to add a gallery. Go to pages. Plus. I'm going to add a gallery. Let's do... What else can we do? How about landscapes? You know. Because, whatever. Create gallery. And you can... so this one is marked as home. You can change this one to be marked as home if you want that to be your home as well. You just go to set as homepage. Oh, booyah! Okay, so let's go back to cityscapes. And what we're going to do now is go over adding an image. Or adding one of these guys. So you go pages. You go plus. And then you go page. So let's call it vents. Because that's the drawing that I'm going to edit. create page. So I got my events. Cool. So where is it? Oh, look, it's right there. That's it. That's all there is to it. Super easy. Before we go on to that, let's go over adding more stuff in here. Because you have a contact page, you have a gallery, you have another gallery. So what else do you need? You also need a store. And a CV. So we'll do a store. And honestly, if you're gonna do it the way I recommend, you're gonna do a square store, and you'll just write down store. Just do it. I mean, that's how I did it. And then put in the domain. I think it's this. www.taylormazer.com. All your fine art and illustration needs. Create link. That's it. It's all done. And then you can test it. But once I do that, then the link shows up right here. So I got landscapes. I got cityscapes. I got contact. I got store. I gotta get some stuff. Let's do some more stuff. Let's add a resume. So how are we gonna do that? Same way. Do all this funky stuff. Go in here and a page. Oh shoot! But this page is gonna show up in navigation, not in cityscapes or landscapes. Oh man, portfolio's ahead of me. Let's see where it shows up. So we're gonna call it resume. Now let's see where it showed up. Oh, it's right there. Perfect. If it shows up in here, one of these, because that happens sometimes. If it shows up right in here, just like Vents did, what you can do is take it and just drag it. And then that is going to show up right here in your navigation. I recommend keeping this simple and clean. That's it. That's all there is to it. Simple and clean. I mean, what did I talk about? All branding. All of branding. Simplicity and cleanicity. That's what's up. Alright. And that's pretty much it. Resume, couple of galleries, your contact page, and your store. Yeah, and then that's pretty simple. So going back to pages, let's put this back. And move on to adding an image.